Hey guys, Dr. Pat here from the Springfield Wellness Center. Today we're going to be going over some chiropractic adjusting techniques. We use a few techniques here in the office to accomplish the adjustments that we're trying to do. For us mostly it's region based. You know, if we're working down here, you know, in the pelvic area, we like to use these drops here. The table itself is called the Thompson table, and that's named after the man who discovered and found the technique, which is called Thompson technique. It involves the use of these drop pieces here in the pelvis and up here in the thoracic region of the spine. Me personally, I like to just use them on the pelvis. If we have any pelvic rotation here, sometimes that can cause one leg to be shorter than the other. So what we try to do is we try to level out the pelvis by using these drop pieces. So I'll demonstrate that for you here. So this cat lays here. I'll take some of the tension out of the table and lift up. You can see the table rises up, and then we apply a force down just like that. That helps to correct some of the rotation here in the pelvis, okay? As we move up the spine, what I mostly use up here is called diversified technique. This is where we have our hands in the correct placement on the spine. We're palpating for any misalignments or rotation in the vertebrae here. And so if I find a misalignment here, then I'll set my hands in the right position. I'll ask Kat to take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. And we apply a force just like that. It's nice and easy, it's not painful, and it helps accomplish what we're trying to do, which is get more motion into these joints in the spine, get them moving better, and help the nervous system function better. Okay. Now, as we move up to the neck, a lot of times I do use diversified technique up here as well, but for some of our patients, it's a little less comfortable. So in those type of circumstances, I like to use the activator, which is this device right here. What I do is I'll place this point here on the spot of the neck where I want to get more motion into this joint, and I'll place it right there and then just pull the trigger here. And it helps move that bone, get more motion into that joint. It's nice and easy for the patient. So those are some of the adjusting techniques that we use in the office to accomplish the adjustments. If you're interested in chiropractic and getting adjusted, go ahead and give us a call at 217-726-0422, and you can schedule a new patient appointment. Thanks, and hope you guys have a good weekend. Take care.